Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Azamuddin and I'm participant A. This is Faris and he is participant B. This is Shafi and she is participant C. And this is Hani and she is participant D. Okay, as we know, next week will be a Nature Week. So today we need to discuss activity to be held on that week. So my idea is I want to organize the tree planting activity because I think this activity have a lot of benefits for students. Okay. First, planting can make our body more healthy because it emits a lot of sweat. So it's good for students for maintain their healthy life. Second, spending time among trees and green space can reduce the amount of stress that we carry around with us in our daily life. So when the trees that we plant grow out, our university will be one of the best green scenery. Last but not least, trees improve our air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon monoxide, and also sulfur dioxide from the air we breathe. So a good quality of air can avoid students from any dangerous illness such as asthma, skin allergies, and also watery eye disease. So what's your idea on it?
Thank you, and I am also as a member of the Nature Society of University want to give an idea about the best activity to organize for the Nature Week. So I think smartly, as we can do a trip to the national park. Wow, you all must not believe in my idea, but you all must trust this idea because there are some of benefits on this activity. First of all, we can appreciate flora and fauna by spending time to see and appreciate the beauty created by God. Okay. At the same time, we can calm our minds and empty our minds out of the busyness of our daily life. Next, the most important, to increase awareness among participants about nature, so they will be more loving the environment by not damaging the trees, plants, and not disturbing innocent pets. Then, this activity can add knowledge about flora and fauna, such as know the names of trees and animals in the country. Lastly, the participants can save their money because no cost of fees for the trip. That's all from me. Next, please welcome Shafi.
I totally agree with you, and I have an idea for me too. I would like to organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. Many activities that we can do, such as bird watching, watch the wildlife, and also learn the types of trees in Malaysia. So what we can get through this activity, this camping. First, we learn to work together with the members. That is most important thing in our life, right? Not only that, we also learn that we must respect to each other, not specific to humans, but trees and animals also. Because we live with them, we live in the same world. So I think that's why I really like and I hope that this activity can be held for the next week. So what do you think, Hani?
For me, I agree with your point because for me, when we are close with the environment, we will be more appreciate it as we can see the beauty of nature itself. So like Albert Einstein said, look deep in nature and then we'll understand everything better. For my opinion, the best activity to be organized during this Nature Week is Recycling Day. As we all know, recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. The practice can prevent the waste of potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw materials, thereby reducing energy usage, air pollution from incineration, and water pollution from landfilling. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction and is the third component of the 3R waste hierarchy. Actually, some countries like Japan, South Korea, and Germany had practiced this for a long time, and it's considerably give a good impact and cultivate awareness about the importance of recycling, especially among the citizens, like young people like us. And this practice also can ensure the level of environmental hygiene in those countries. Hence, this practice is easy to be done and all people can take part on it. For example, the activities to do for the recycling day and are making pots for planting from the plastic bottle and much more things that we can do as long as we be careful to do so. And we also can provide recycling bins in the area around the university. So that's my idea on this Nature Week.
Yes, I am totally agree with you. Your point is very best. I'm here.
How about you, Safi?
So for me, I think the best idea for today is honey. Why? Because disabled people also can join this program, recycling program. It's easy to be done. So, and how about you?
I think Hani's idea also is the best because from what I searched on Putusan Online that were reported on 7 January 2017, there are a total of 13.5 million tons rubbish that were collected per year. So by doing 3R activity, like your idea, it can help our country for a better future by reducing amount of rubbish disposal. So I think we all agree with Hani's idea.
Yes.
So next week will we be so we will recycling activity, right? Okay, that's all for today. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.